Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize and apply the POS receipt design in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the point of sale icon right here. In this new page, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above, then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, in this new page containing the settings, scroll down to the Bills and Receipts section, then click on the checkbox next to the Custom Header and Footer section. This will enable you to customize your receipts header and footer with anything you need for your business or website. Once you're done customizing, click on Save at the top left corner to save your changes. And all of your future POS receipts will include the customizations and changes you've made. And that is how you can customize and apply the POS receipt design in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.